What's good, YouTube? I am back with another video, you know what I'm saying? And I got my gang with me. What up? She's driving me.
First off, this coronavirus is outrageous.
Dog. If he say one more fucking thing about the corona.
That's
It
good.
is.
Dog, we went in
You
the...
probably got corona in.
I damn near got that shit, y'all. I ain't gonna lie.
Fuck you talking about?
Because somebody at my job had it.
Nah, fuck
Looking
that.
ass, ain't nobody in Milwaukee got it.
You sound crazy.
Crazy as a bitch, don't worry.
I ain't see shit about nobody in Milwaukee. I'm bougie.
What y'all been on, bro?
Shit, chilling.
Playing PUBG.
Yeah. No, answer that weak ass 6 plus.
6 plus. Ooh. That's a ooh. My shit was done before the game getting started. I ain't got shit to show.
He's stupid.
He do. What y'all been? Oh, did he just
Good.
pulled up in a fat whip, you know?
I
Yeah.
love him. It's cool and working, you know what I'm saying?
Stacking.
Got to.
Stack season for sure.
And I'm still playing PUBG.
Is that thing you asked that man at Miller Park? You said, do he be on that? And he signed one. Remember you asked that man that? That's what you was talking about? Racist.
But anyway, there's a lot of them that play it. They be on that. If I get on
So
right
you
now.
just asked him.
I don't even know what y'all talking
If I
about.
get on right now.
Hey, I talked to Paul.
Hey.
On what?
I talked to Paul.
What you talking about?
Shit.
charge
He was
my
like,
phone
he
and
texted me.
stuff.
He like, oh, I think it's probably a different time zone. I'm like, what time is it, Paul? He like, 5:50 p.m. It's like 5 a.m. over here. No, hell yeah. We definitely in a different time zone. I figured that though.
We just give y'all an update, you know what I'm saying? What we got going on in our life, you know what I'm saying?
We've been talking more.
Of course.
Cause you know they was on bullshit last video.
But I'm
We
still
talking
playing
about-
PUBG. That'll never change.
It's the best fruit water, y'all. Great. Get y'all one.
No promo. I ain't paying them.
Hey, hey, y'all stay safe with this coronavirus going around, alright?
No boo.
Let me tell you what you talking about in the car.
They're finna shut this motherfucker down. They're finna shut the state down.
What y'all talking about?
In the car?
Hey, y'all know.
About a female. Here you go.
Oh!
Oh.
I was finna
Look,
tell.
y'all know Malcolm X's own people killed him.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
What
For
you
real.
say?
Malcolm X.
What?
His own people killed him.
Okay, I'm not in history class, so I want to hear that shit.
No, for real. But I ain't gonna talk about that because once they see this video, they might come get me with everything I know. They might try to get rid of me.
Look at
Who
dude.
the
He
fuck
been
do you
watching some
think he
history.
is,
shit,
right?
bro.
Dog. Talk about some. This ain't history.
They did
class.
though.
I passed history though.
That's bogus, bro. His own people killed him, and then act like they didn't. She was crazy. That shit was crazy. Elijah Muhammad, he ordered the hit.
Why y'all eat ranch?
Yeah, ranch
Shit,
nasty.
yeah.
as
Ranch
hell.
nasty as hell.
Yeah.
Him. I
I just like everybody that eat ranch.
I don't even know fuck.
Yep, that means you, Miss Lady.
My nigga's fault. Y'all ready for Miller Park? Huh?
Not my turn.
I got fired. I don't give a fuck.
You ready for Miller Park? Huh?
421 new hotspot.
You giving the people too much
421 new hotspot. We already told them
But
424.
I'm gonna be there next
that
year.
last video.
I'm be there next year.
It was lit. I ain't gonna lie, my stand used to rag.
Don't say yo stand, motherfucker. Our stand.
Our stand used to
Our
crack.
stand used to crack.
On me.
Didi used to woo. She used to have that motherfucker doing numbers.
Hell no. I used to be chilling. That used to be y'all, G.
Nah.
Up in there clowning.
Oh, she had a
I'm
motherfucker
tell you,
doing.
always finna fight somebody in that motherfucker.
Mm-mm.
Doing too much.
I used to be chilling.
Yeah, no.
Snapping on elevator people and shit.
This fat ass had me fucked up.
Dog.
I forgot.
424.
Oh, because I was holding the elevator. I was holding the elevator from closing. I was doing something. And his little sneaky ass, I had my badge right here, so I forgot.
He wrote your name down.
Yeah.
He said, do it one more time. I ain't gonna lie, 424 was the stand. Everybody wanted to be in that stand. Everybody, Morgan, can I go to 424? Or Morgan to bust them down in our stand and they weren't supposed to be in there.
Morgan needs to be on it.
Morgan childish.
She said, not this season. I'm not doing this season.
That's why they ain't want me to come down. They
We
like,
gonna do the same shit that we did.
Talk about confiscating my phone.
They know they ain't gonna be able to do that with no motherfucking body. Nobody finna give y'all their phone.
My mama.
Only them young ass kids probably is.
My shit
I'd even probably do.
My shit over here doing numbers, I ain't gonna lie.
But hey, Lenai, I gotta
Hold
say.
on.
What?
Hold on.
What?
You mean to tell me it's a bottle of hot sauce right there, and I'm eating these plain ass
That's how
chicken
you
without no motherfucking
You didn't
hot
even
sauce?
ask.
Right, you said no sauce.
Lenai, can I ask you just one question?
Y'all both.
Lenai, let me just ask you one question.
What up, fool?
You miss Sierra? Tell me to see your face. You miss Sierra?
Who?
You.
Sierra who?
Marble.
Never heard that name before.
Bro, stop playing with my favorite sister. Bro. For real.
Shit.
Let's keep that shit peanut.
No, I don't miss her. I just saw her yesterday.
Dog, she's sick, dog.
Shut up. Can I ask you a question?
What up?
Oh, I got a question for Didi.
You don't even hear me.
Answer. What
What's
you
up,
would
bro?
ask her?
I ain't got no question. I was just talking shit.
I got a question for Samante.
What's up?
Who that girl that got you MIA?
Ain't nobody got me MIA. I stay in the house for shit. There ain't shit else to do. Just play PUBG all day.
You miss Monica?
Never. Bitch.
Mm-hmm.
You disrespectful. You disrespectful.
You disrespectful for even asking that.
You just asked me that I miss your sister.
Right, because y'all just recently, you know what I'm saying, you had something going on. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what you're saying.
You tripping, bro.
But that's your for everything, too.
Who?
Come on now.
Who?
Who? But I want to
Monica.
know too.
I don't even talk to the girl.
You don't fuck around with the fuck around?
Yeah.
Fuck around with the fuck around. You fuck around and get laid down? You don't fuck around?
No.
Damn.
I don't even know who she is no more.
Ooh.
God damn.
That's how I be. Alright. I'm fuck with you. He said he ain't even.
Y'all already know his
Oh,
ass
yeah,
probably
right,
got a
right.
bomb in that bitch. Yes, probably a suicide bomber.
Who? Gas
Mhm.
man?
Mhm.
Yeah.
They be playing PUBG too, them gas station man.
The caption is gonna be like, do we miss our exes? Because you just
Alright. Oh yeah. Yeah, we
I'm steady
could.
putting barbecue in there.
Oh yeah, we could do that. That could be the caption.
I'm just asking you a question, but can you answer it?
Ain't shit going on with her.
Right? Cause y'all always put me in the house.
I'm just
No,
saying.
what
though,
the-
but
You always
it
put me in
really
the hot
ain't
seat.
shit going on between us though, for real.
Cause he ain't about to get his old thing.
That shit ain't even funny. Fuck y'all.
She's stupid, bro.
Shit. Cause he did say, he was telling me you wanted her back.
Well, who? I don't know bitch back. Yeah, I had it already. I don't go backward. I go forward. What you talking about?
Where Mari at? They just she ain't blowing your phone up.
They don't do nothing.
She ain't, you know what I'm
You was earlier.
She crazy?
She crazy, don't they?
Crazy ain't even a
I
motherfucking
think
word,
Monte
bro.
probably the only person I saw who have not dealt with somebody crazy. This video she going to skip over.
She ain't gonna skip over it. She gonna watch that shit just like you watch all the other ones.
Okay.
Well,
Hell yeah. Mm-hmm.
No, you can't cut this out.
You gotta cut this out.
Do not cut it out.
You got to.
No.
Y'all trying to have me going down.
I just tell her it's for entertainment purposes.
Right. It
She
is.
already.
It's
She already. We've been going for how long?
Only 13 minutes.
Damn, why does shit look blurry?
Yeah, bro.
Oh shit, coronavirus taking over my balls.
He's
Can't
stupid. Dog, y'all funny as a bitch.
Wow,
No, that's the I say.
The other video, she was like, Dashawn was like, what the fuck she said? When I said I'm faithful or some shit, I'm in a relationship or something like with Dashawn, right? And then remember when I had moved over and I was like this or something? She was like, yeah, so what you was doing over there had them laughing in the corner after you said that. I was like, I ain't did shit.
What?
Yeah, what it is.
So you see yourself settling down with Monica since you asking everybody shit? Is they settling down? Boy, ask myself.
Bro, out of everybody, you say Monica, bro.
Okay, let me see.
She is fucking past. She. Come on, man.
Oh, you'll go back to mine?
Anyways, guys. She on some bullshit.
Y'all be on bullshit with me.
What's that?
Here go your Corona wipe right
Wipes.
here. All bullshit to the side of my dog. Like, they funny as a bitch. Hey,
Who funny?
y'all.
Who's y'all?
You want some more?
What I tell you? End the video, bro.
I'm in the video.
I said end it.
In it.
End it.
End it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm saying.
Outro.
He's slow.
I don't know what I'm supposed to say. I don't. Okay, we're going to end this video.
End the video, man.
Alright, that's enough for today's video, you know. We gonna fuck with y'all next time.
We'll be back.
We gonna be back with more
Another
Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up, man. Like, comment,
like, no. Gang gonna be back again.
comment,
we gonna
share,
do some more
subscribe to
videos.
our channel, and I'm gonna see
did
you
that
guys
wrong.
in the next video. You did it wrong. Peace.
Bop.